Hey everyone, and welcome back. Before we jump into some of the cool prototypes that we are going to build, I want to talk about some of the things we're going to learn with Figma prototyping. So if we just go to our little right sidebar and click the prototype tab, this is where we're going to access all the goodies. We are going to learn a bunch here. So Figma's prototyping feature is going to allow you to create some really great interactive flows that explore how a user may actually interact with your designs. So they are really good for ways to preview your interactions and user flows. So just by clicking this button, we can jump into there. You can share and iterate on these ideas really quickly. You can click that share button and invite people to that prototype, or even just copy the link. You can get feedback on that prototype by using comments. You can also test interactions with users, present your designs to stakeholders. So you can even see that I have even a description here that explains the type of flow that's happening here. So a lot of things we're going to learn about just from that aspect of why they're great and how to do that within Figma. The other thing that I want to talk about is that we are going to learn specifically about creating these types of flows. We're going to learn about creating these little connections, which kind of look like little noodles. We're going to learn about things like, the type of interaction. Is it on tap or while pressing and on click, etc.? We're going to learn about things like, if we get over here, we can learn about things like animations. We're also going to learn to modify the prototype to suit your needs. So that means when you share this prototype, are people going to be able to see things like, hotspot links and whatnot? So let's jump right in.